Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a quick video on how to set your class up on the Macs in the new Media Lab. Right now I'm just going to show you how to get students assigned to a computer. We don't have logins on them just because of the nature of the media that we'll be creating. Some of them will be too large in order to go to the H drives. So we've created generic logins for each computer, and you'll see the one that I'm on right now. If you look in the top right corners, this one is called Media Lab 1. And all of the computers have their own Media Lab designation from 1 through 15. Down here in the dock on the bottom, these are where some of the programs are. Not all of them, but most of them. And when you get kids into the lab, the first thing that they should be doing is actually creating their own folder to save some of their work to. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. The first thing that they'll want to do is they'll want to open the Finder application, which is the smiley face in the dock. When I click on that, it shows me a variety of things that are on my Mac. And I'm going to make this window a little larger just to show you some other items. What we want to avoid is these random documents thrown throughout the computer. So you'll notice on the left-hand column here, we've got these devices, and they're called grades 7 through 12. So for instance, if I was a grade 7 student, I would want to save all of my things here in the grade 7 folder. And in order to make sure that I'm saving my documents to my folder, I need to create a folder with my name on it. So if I right-click on the mouse, I get this menu, or I could go to the File menu in the top ribbon. You'll notice it says Finder. I'm going to look under File, and I can click on New Folder. And it'll create a folder in this actual drive. So I'm going to put my name on there. And maybe some of your kids would also want to put what course designation they're using. Another way that they could do this is inside of their own folder. I know I'm in my own folder now because my name is on the top of this Finder window. I could also make some new folders for different subjects. So for instance, I could have language if I was an intermediate student, or if I was a secondary student, I may just put a course code in order to designate that that's where I'm going to save files for that course. And again, that would be up to you as a teacher, how you want your students to organize, and also as a student, how they want to organize things. Another thing that they can do is they can actually color code their folders. So by right-clicking on the folder, these labels, so maybe they want to make BTT green, and any file that they create with BTT would then be green. So that's how a student would set up their computer, and again, they will have to use their same computer each time they're using the lab, only because right now these aren't synced to the H drives just because of the nature of the files they'll be using. Hopefully that helps, and if you have any more questions, please give me a shout, and you can email me at jason.henstridge@nearnorthschools.ca.